What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Glad to have y'all back for another day, another video, some more entertainment, some more content, some more human-made content, some more greatness coming. But we got some dope shit today in this video. Thank you all for coming back. I greatly appreciate it. You already know what I'm going to say. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the notification bell all down below. Hit that subscribe button. Probably take a fraction of a second, probably not even a fraction, probably way less than a fraction, just to click that subscribe button and that like button and the notification bell so you all can be notified when I drop a video. Drop a comment down below if you're feeling the content. Also, follow me on IG if you want to be locked in on the shit that I got going on and checking me out on my IG story and going live with my boy Style by JP and some other people. And yeah, we got some stuff that we trying to get together and have more people on the IG live. We're gonna try to figure something out. But I feel like before I get into the video, let me go ahead and get into a tangent. I'm gonna try my best to get this podcast going. I'm gonna try my best, but I'm gonna see how this thing goes with work, especially because again, I work 6 days a week, 12 hours, so it's really hard for me to squeeze in time to do a podcast because I gotta shoot this video, run errands while I'm off work. So by the time I get home, it's probably like 8 o'clock. So it's gonna be very hard for me to do a podcast, but I'm gonna try my best. If things at work become more manageable and I have more, like they give me more time off, well not time off, but reduce my hours and probably give me like an extra day off, then I will do the podcast. But until now, it's gonna be on hold. In the meantime, just follow my boy Style by JP on IG and he go live. I forgot when he go live, but just follow him, look at his story and he'll let you know the days that he'll go live and who he's going live with. So if y'all want to check out some stuff, check it out. He did a dope ass live with my boy Think Chink, aka Aaron. Dope ass live. I highly suggest y'all go watch that. If you just don't have anything to do, just sit down and listen. You'll learn some shit because I learned a lot from that live that they did on IG. But enough of all that. I'm talking so much, but yeah, podcast may come when, I don't know, but I hope it does. Also follow me on IG at mac11.execute. Link down below if y'all want to follow. Just click that link button on my IG page and boom, there you go. You're there. Just hit the follow button. You're following me and I'll follow you back. DM me, I DM you back. Give and take, give and take, give and take. Anyway, enough talking. We got another human made unboxing. Got some dope shit. I may do a double recording. I'm gonna just switch out my shirt to make it seem like I just did a whole new video. I'm just switching my shirt out in a hat. Then I may do another recording for another video for another day. But let's get to our unboxing of Human Made. And okay, I got the boxes here. I got a package I got from GRAILED, and I got a box that I got from Human Made. And of course, we're gonna save the best for last. So we'll save this for last, and we'll get right to what's in this package right here. I already kind of opened it because I couldn't wait. I couldn't help myself. So I already opened this, as you can all see. I just couldn't help myself, and I got a steal on these t-shirts from this dude on GRAILED. I'm glad I had, because he had 2 Human Made t-shirts. I forgot how much he was charging. I think he charged like $80 each for these shirts. And I'm like, yo, can you do a bundle deal? He like, yeah. He like, so what's your offer? I said $150. He like, all right, I'll take it. So both the shirts were probably like $80 to $90 a piece, I believe he was selling them for on GRAILED. So I just put a bundle together. I said, I'll give you $150. He like, all right, cool, you can take them. So anyway, so he hooked me up. I got both of these. Ooh, that shit, I only have the color though. So I got this, the first shirt that I got right here. Of course, it says Human Made, Storing Cowboy, draws at the bottom. And on the back, Blam, Storing Cowboy at the neck on the logo. Yeah, I thought I should get this shirt because I plan on doing something real fun real soon on my channel. Just something very, very different. And I could tell that he watched this because it had like a different feel to it, normally that you would feel from like a Human Made tee. So yeah, I think it's like one of, I don't think it's too old of a tee, but it's just one of the tees that I really like. And it's just simple, nothing too crazy, not too graphic-y, anything like that. It's just perfect and on point. So yeah, this is a shirt that I got. I don't know if I'm gonna do something with this shirt or I'm gonna do something with the next shirt. So let's get to it. So the next shirt that I have is this. Oh man, it's like I don't know if I'm gonna touch this one. And you'll see what I mean when I say I don't know if I'm gonna do something to it. Y'all will notice in the next video what I mean about doing something to these t-shirts. It's gonna be really fun. It's gonna be so dope and fun what I'm gonna do to either or of these tees. But it may be the other one, but this is the other tee that I have that I got in a little bundle for homie. He looked out. And this is like more, I just like this style. This got that vintage, like this vintage varsity high school look to it. And I just like it. Got the little duck on there just smiling like, hey, look at me, guys, you're really cool. And up under them, it says dry alls. I don't know what season these t-shirts are from, but I couldn't help myself but to cop. So I had to cop this and the other one. Again, I got these for a stupid steal, $150, and it was like 80 to 90 a piece. And the shipping wasn't anything. So homie looked out, got a deal, and I will be keeping both of those, and I will be doing something very dope to one of those t-shirts. Which one? I don't know yet, but we'll find out when that time comes for that video. So let's get to the box and let me show you what I got. Let's get it. All right, time to crack open the box for y'all, for my peeps. Oh yeah, I already opened this up, but I ain't opened it all the way up. But it's just interesting. It was like one of their Christmas, this was like for a Christmas release, and I got it. I think, did I have to get up early for this like the other shit? Did I? I don't know. I don't think I had to get up early to get this. So I had copped this, and it was worth the cop. Well, we'll see if it was worth the cop. But I copped this for Human Made from their holiday drop. Get a little bit closer. Focus. I guess that's focus enough. It's gonna get. But yeah, it had like this this aluminum like texture on it with the Human Made. It's a sticker. Well, anyway, it's just got a blue Human Made heart on it, and inside of here, whoa, I can't even. Oh, okay. I see. Bruh, this netting is ridiculous, man. Dope packaging though, can't knock that. Now for the shirt that y'all can't hear to see would be, oh, it's backwards. It's upside down. Short. All right, so this is the last shirt that I got, and boom, it is the Human Made polar bear tee with the two polar bears. Again, this is one of their Christmas drops. I think it was like a week before Christmas they dropped this, and I had to cop it because, of course, it's Christmas, and it says draw all at the top, Human Made, and it says gifts for futuristic teenagers, going over the humps of the polar bears. And it says 2020, which is a shit year, but a good year at the same time for some people. It's been a shit and good year for me. Mainly shit year because COVID, of course, and I can't really go out anywhere. But good year because I got me a new job and I'm able to afford all this stuff and continue to grow my channel. So that was the good that came out of it. So if y'all didn't do anything during this thing, like this COVID crap, and y'all didn't try to learn something new or get into something new or try something new, what the hell y'all were doing this whole year? Like, you had a whole 365 days to do something, but I'm pretty sure some of y'all didn't do anything. But me, I had to stay true to this YouTube thing because of y'all, because y'all make this shit fun as hell. So that's why I did this YouTube shit. Thank you to everybody that supported me and pushed me again. I know I say this every video. I know I do, but I'm that type of guy to let you all know that I appreciate y'all. But anyway, this is one of the shirts that I got, and I fuck with it. I like it. I got all my stuff, of course, in XXL, and that's the only way that I go with these t-shirts. But other than that, that's all I got. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll catch y'all, I ain't gonna say next Sunday because there may be a video coming out way before Sunday. So thank y'all for watching. I'm out. Peace.